that have high needs for mobility and that are not willing to compromise the performance or the connectivity. So it's really the high end of our portfolio. And what we have done is we have made these products ultrabooks. It is a very radical move, but we believe that the advantages that being an ultrabook means in terms of portability, in terms of lightness, really made us go in this direction. So let me share with you some of the attributes of the new portfolio of ultrabooks that we are launching. This is the Elitebook 820. As you can see, it's a very thin device. You can see the thickness of the device, and especially it has been designed to really make it very nice, the touch, and make it very comfortable to handle it from any end user. We have done a lot of work to work with different materials, and we are using a special treatment that is used in cars to simulate the same touch as leather, and you will have the opportunity to touch later in the demo room. We have also introduced new technologies in the cover. All the covers on the product are done with magnesium that brings extremely low weight and extremely high resistance. We have also engineered significantly the shape of the device. And you cannot see it from your seats, but the shape is slightly curved, so when you hold the device, the cover will not touch the screen. What this brings is, since the cover will not touch the screen will not touch the keyboard, and you will never see any dirt marks on the keyboard. Very different from what happens in many ultrabooks today in the market. And finally, we have done a lot of work in the serviceability of the product. As you can see, it's very simple to open. You have immediate access to most of the components of the device, so it can be very easily replaced. And a very important piece of engineering is how we have managed the heat inside the product. We have created a very special heatsink that brings all the heat to a specific area of the device. So with one unique fan, we can cool and we can eliminate all the heat from the product. Very, very important piece of engineering. The Elitebook 800 is replacing the Elitebook 8000 series. What you have in the screen is the profile of the current products we have in the market. What you see now is the difference in thickness and the difference in weight. It is 40% thinner, almost 30% lighter. So it's a huge step forward in terms of innovation. So I have talked about how nice it looks. Some of the engineers were asking me to say it looks sexy. I prefer to use the word sexy for something different. But let's say it looks sexy. It is light. But it's not only that, it is also resistance. We pass 9 military tests. And the key word here is pass. When you will go to many of our competitors' websites, you can see that they say they test for the military test, but they don't say whether the products pass the test or not. We pass the tests, and you can see that this is really one of the key innovations that this product brings. The keyboard is spill resistant. This means that if you drop a glass of water or a glass of coffee, the keyboard will keep working. And we have engineered some special holes in the keyboard, so the liquid will go inside, and the liquid has some special channels that will come out outside without any damage to the PC in the inside. Big piece of engineering done by HP engineers. They wanted me to do a demonstration spilling a cup of coffee, but I had to tell the team that the HP travel policy doesn't cover for laundry, so I didn't want to get some coffee stains on my seat. And finally, the PCs also hold up to 30 kilos. So we could have a 30 kilos person stand on top of the PC, and the PC will keep working. We are not only introducing the 820, we have a full family of products coming to market and being announced to market today. So we have a 12 inches product, we have a 14 inches product, and we have a 15 inches product. All of them sharing the same type of engineering, all of them available to market today.